I'm Kelly Donnelly, and this is the 8th year that I have been the DECA advisor at Hill Murray School. DECA is an association of marketing students that helps prepare students for their future. It helps prepare students in whatever career path they choose to follow. One of the things I love about DECA is helping students develop their skills. DECA is unique because students can develop skills both interpersonally and with communication, as well as developing teamwork skills and leadership skills. Students can also choose projects that are self-directed, and whatever area of focus they want, DECA will have something available for them. Students have been very successful and have won numerous awards at the district, state, national, and international levels, and we've been lucky enough to have 2 students from Hill Murray who have been international finalists in the last 5 years. My coaching philosophy is that DECA should be fun, and I want students to be able to make connections not only within the school community, but also beyond. And we've had students who have done projects with the local community and with some local businesses. Students will be able to take the skills that they learn in DECA and use them for a lifetime, and my goal is also for students to gain a lifetime of friendships and memories.
Here and now, I'm in the fire and above my head. Being held under the pressure, don't know what'll be left. But it's here in the ashes, I'm finding treasure. He's making May you have auspiciousness and causes of success. May you have the confidence to always do your best. May you take no effort in your being generous, sharing what you can, nothing more, nothing less. May you know the meaning of the word happiness. May you always lead from the beating in your chest. May you be treated like an esteemed guest. May you get to rest, may you catch your breath. May the best of your todays be the worst of your tomorrows. Whoa. May the road less paved be the road that you follow. Oh. Well, here's to the hearts that you're gonna break. Here's to the lives that you're gonna change. Here's to the infinite possible ways to love.